working on the well-being of our youth. We are trying to provide a platform to your aspires, dreams, and whatever you want to do in your life. Government is there to help you. Prime Minister Youth Program is there to help you. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is the man. When he was Chief Minister of Punjab, he gave Pakistan the first youth policy, the Punjab Youth Policy. He was the man who gave Pakistan the first Education Endowment Fund, Punjab Education Endowment Fund. He is the man who gave Danish schools to Pakistan, scholarships to needy students, the one who got admission in 50 top universities in the world. They were awarded scholarships in the field of sports and technical education, you name it. He always lead from the front, and he is yet again there to lead you, the youth of Pakistan, to a bright future, and we all strive to have a brighter Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. You've heard